guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. I'm packing for Dubai. I'm going to Dubai in a couple of hours. It's currently 1:21 and my flight is at 8 p.m. I still have time, but I also am trying to squeeze a lunch before I leave. So yeah, I have a couple of bits. If you guys see the mess that's on the floor right now, yeah, you'll be surprised. But I've basically put everything around me. That's how I love to organize my things. It's an organized mess. Currently in Dubai is 30 degrees. So I will be packing very hot. I'm super excited. I actually wanted to go to Dubai twice last year, but it was cancelled due to COVID. So that time lucky, I'm finally going to Dubai. I'm gonna show you guys how I pack my main suitcase that's going to be checked in and my carry-on. I don't like carrying a lot of things with me, so it's usually my carry-on and a bag. But yeah, let's get into the video. And if you guys haven't checked out my previous vlog, I basically did a haul of some of the pieces that I picked out. I'm going to be putting them on and showing you guys how they fit, because I'm going to try to figure out my days and what goes with what. I still haven't 100% figured out my itinerary, but I kind of know what I want to do, kind of. This is going to be my airport outfit. I love Adinola, and I've got this hoodie and joggers to match with it, and then this is the towel that I'm going to be using. This towel is from the White Company, and then I've got my nightie. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to carry this nightie because it is quite heavy. I'll show you guys how it looks like on. And then I've got this set. I'm wearing the shorts at the moment, but this shirt comes with a lovely matching short. This is what we're dealing with at the moment. I've got my cabin bag, and then I've also got the bag that's going to be checked in. This one is from Travel Choice, and that one is from Primark. This is usually my cabin bag, but I want hands-free today. This one is from Luxton. I love this bag, but I'm not going to be carrying that with me today. This bag always comes with me on every holiday. This is from Leatherology. It says CF for Coco Flow. It has a lot of compartments inside. I will show you guys when I do pack it. This is one of the outfits I plan on wearing possibly to the Dubai Mall because it's a little bit more covered up. I love this set. This is from Life of Ease. It also comes with a matching top that I showed you guys earlier. This is the first outfit. Excuse the Christmas tree. I know it's January. I haven't taken it down yet, but this is the first outfit. So the bottoms match with the skirt. I do wish I got this skirt in an extra small. I got it in a size small, and it's a tad bit big. I wish it was like a lot tighter. I wanted to show you the bikini without the skirt, and it's cute. I do wish I picked up the matching top, but it was not available in my size. But I love this print. I got a matching bikini bottom for this top, and I love it. So I'm gonna be packing this with me, and I think I'm gonna also pack two more bikinis, white and black, just for neutral days. But I'm loving this color. Another bikini one. Guys, I'm loving color. This is just cute. I got this bottoms in a medium, and I was a bit hesitant whether they're gonna fit, but I love it because you can actually adjust how much you want to tie it. And then I think this will also go well with this. I'm gonna try put this in like the wash and shrink it when I'm there, not now. And then I think it would look so cool. I think I'll wear it like down like this. Yeah. So I also got this lovely tie cover up. I'm sorry guys about all the tags, but I'm literally doing this in such a hurry. I could wear this. This is so long, like it is freaking long. Excuse the mess, but this is how long it is. And I love the sheerness of it. You can tie this up here as well, but I think I'm gonna leave it out like that. I picked out these sandals, so plan is to wear this with this. I'm not gonna put it on right now because there's no point. It has these ties that you can tie around your legs, and I just think it adds a bit more to it than just having a plain sandal. These I got recently from Zara. Guys, look at them. They are stunning. I did a whole Zara haul. I only bought 2 products on my TikTok. Definitely go check it out. And then I also got this top that would go really nice if I tie it up. I will put it on, but I'm trying not to. Actually, I'm gonna put it on. Okay, I was concerned about putting makeup on it, but actually I can just put a scarf on and you're good to go. This is how I plan on wearing this top. It's a lovely knitted top that is very see-through and it just looks really nice, very, very breathable. Plan is to wear it with this. So I love this skirt. I love taking it on holiday with me because it just looks gorgeous. It's a lovely sarong, but it's made out of linen material. This one is from Because of Alice. I don't know if they still stock it, but if they do, I will obviously leave it down below. But yeah, this is usually like my holiday look. I've been meaning to get the Bottega bag and look what I found. I found this on Ego Official. This was £25. I bought it because I was like, if I get to style this bag a lot on holiday, I'm gonna buy the Bottega bag. So this is like a trial, but come on. This was £25, literally saved me $1, and I know that it will go with a lot of things on holiday and including this outfit. I also love this top because I could wear it like that, and I love that it's so sheer that you can see like my bikini underneath. I mean, come on. I love that you can see my bikini underneath, and I've paired it up with these trousers from Because of Alice. They are linen material. I'll come close so you guys can see the material of it. It's just stunning. By the way, I'm putting all my outfits here so I'm organized and I know what I'm packing. And I got this bag from Lily and Bean, and it just looks stunning. This is going to be my beach bag, and I think with this outfit it just goes really well. Okay, I can't put this over, can I? Yes, I can. So this is the plan. I'll be carrying it like this, or I can carry it like that. I love the print at the front, but I'm not one for print, so I'm just like turning it around. And you can also use these straps to wear it over the shoulder. This will be carrying most of my things when I go to the beach. It's very, very spacious in there, and it has compartments. It's got the zip, and then it's got a little pouch here that you can put stuff in. Now I'm in 2 minds. I usually carry this bag with me on every holiday because I love the weaving on it. But I'm not sure. I don't know what to do. I love this bag. I have stuffed it. It has like this thing that you can close and put your stuff. I'm gonna leave it here and decide later. I've changed into this black bikini. It has a matching bottom, but I'm not putting it on. I've gone for this maxi skirt. It is from Club London. It's just like your usual random skirt, but it's mesh, so I can afford to wear this on holiday. It is so long, like so long. Excuse the mess, but it is so long and I love it. I've moved the suitcase in the living room and put in this cover up. So this in white, and I also got this in this brown color. This one is from Miss Pap and this one's from PLT. These are both old, and I'm just gonna be using this on the poolside. I've moved the bags around because I want this closed with all my clothes. And then this compartment, I'm going to be putting my shoes. So I've got my sandals here, and then I've got my knickers, I've got my bikini, and these are going to be extra shoes that I'm going to be carrying together with these kind of like Havanas, but they're from Primark. And I'm also going to be putting them in this bag. I found these heels at TK Maxx, and these are from Zara, and I freaking love them because they're giving me Jacquemus. I've decided to go with this bag because it just fits very well. The other one's a little bit too large. I've packed my jewelries in this Monica Vanaja case. I usually carry this one, but actually everything fits in here. I've got my watch. I am carrying 3 watches. Carrying rings, I'm already wearing some. I've got my hoops, bracelets, and then necklaces are all here. I still need to figure out how to use this compartment, but everything fits in here. Guys, there's a bomb that's just gone off and I've been chucking things in my suitcase. I have 1, 2, 3 gym sets that I'm going to be taking with me because I want to work out when I'm there. I love pieces from 4RQ and Adenola and Stacks. I'm going to now fit everything in my toiletry bag. I'm also going to take these aligners and the tray because I'm gonna change my aligners when I'm there. I've placed my toiletry bag here and moved things around. In this suitcase, I've put my sunglasses, my portable charger, and then I've got my toothbrush that I've put in this case I got from Amazon. I had to quickly pack this because I'm running late. I've got my book there and journal, and then I've got this bag with makeup brushes, my laptop, and I've got my charger and baby wipes and my sunnies in here with my Jacquemus bag. And this is going to be my cabin bag. I finished packing. I'm rushing right now to go have lunch, and then when I come back I'm gonna go get my flight and go to Dubai. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are not subscribed, you know what to do. I'll see you guys on my next video. Actually, I'll see you guys in Dubai.